With the 2014, this is a limited model that we have here. Okay, I'm going to go over some of the features that are on the limited model. All right. First feature we're going to see here is, there is no actual key. What we have here is just a fob by itself. This fob emits radio frequencies. So, very simply, Francine, keep it right in your pocket. Don't ever worry about taking it out. You're walking out, you've got groceries, you've got things in your arms, you've got a baby in your arm. Hey, don't worry about fishing around for the key. Walk right up to the vehicle, grab the door handle. Automatically locks and unlocks simply by pressing the door handle, just like that. And you're in. As for the back, same thing. Don't fish around. You don't want to risk dropping something on the ground. Here in Rochester, we know that the weather isn't always so great. A lot of mud, a lot of snow, a lot of ice on the ground. Don't set stuff down and fish. Just walk up, press one simple button. There you go. Hatch opens right up for you. Very, very, very effortless. Let's go inside. Have a seat right in the driver's seat. Okay. Once again, very comfortable, very elegant interior. Definitely a step up from some previous generations. Very, very comfortable. Let's talk about some stuff that concerns you the most, though. Let's talk about safety. Now, previous vehicle that you had got in a little bit of an accident. Unfortunately, totaled the vehicle. Fortunately, everybody was safe, but still gave you a little bit of scare. With the all-new Highlander, 8 standard airbags. But not just that, we've got 2 all-new airbags that are exclusive to the design that we have. The first one is going to be a driver knee airbag. Now, you told me when you got in your accident that you smacked your knee up pretty good. Located right down by the driver's knee is an airbag. If, for some reason, you get struck on the side, an airbag will deploy to prevent your leg from smacking over and doing any damage. Passenger side over here, if for some reason you get in a head-on collision, this airbag will go off fine. Person will come down, hit that, and be safe. However, a good majority of injuries do happen when people slide down a little bit and injure their lower back. Right underneath the seat right here is an airbag that will deploy in a front-end collision and push the passenger up in a fetal type position with their legs up a little bit to prevent them from sliding down or doing any injuries to their lower back. Very, very, very cool. Very, very, very safe stuff. Now, there was a couple of combination factors that you told me why you got into that accident. First one was you were texting and talking while driving. We all know we're not supposed to do it. Some of us are guilty of it still, and it happens. Well, let me tell you, with the new Toyota Highlander, I'm just going to turn everything on here for a second. Okay? With the new Highlander, not only do you have a wireless Bluetooth phone system, but you also have a voice command system. So once everything is uploaded into your phone, your contacts are right on there. You simply press the button here and tell it who you want it to call. That simple. Also, if you want to text, you do the same thing. You press the button, text, tell who you want to send a text to, sends everything right through. Okay? No need for you to be fiddling with things, messing around with things. Everything is safe and easy because that's the best way to do it, especially when you have your children in the back. Okay? Now, the other reason you got in a little bit of a little scuff there was because the weather was really bad, because once again, we live in Rochester. This vehicle has a vehicle stability control system. On each corner of the vehicle is a little gyroscopic sensor. One of those starts to come out of whack a little bit, it proactively will kick in an all-wheel drive system. It'll automatically distribute the power to the wheels that need it so you don't slip and slide. If for some reason you do still slip and slide, that vehicle stability control system will tap the brakes or tap the gas in each individual corner to get you pointed in a straight line again. Really, the truth is, if you start to slip or slide, by the time you're done screaming, you're pointed in a straight line again, which is really, really cool. All right. Let's switch here. One of the other things you told me is, of course, you're interested in saving money. Everybody's interested in saving money. I want to show you something that's on this system here. In the application system, we have the Eco application here, okay? This is going to tell you a minute by minute of how your driving is. Haven't been doing real good here because we've been sitting in the shop with it running, but you see what I mean. It'll tell you minute by minute how you're going. And while you're driving, it'll tell you exactly where your MPGs are too. It's like a video game. It's like a video game that trains you to be a better driver. Also, while you're driving in an economical fashion, there'll be a little light that'll come up right in your RPM gauge that'll say Eco. Very cool stuff. The longer you can keep that Eco light on, the better your savings is going to be. And who, as I said, doesn't want to save money? Let's take a look at one more thing out back. I want to show you how easy it is to fold everything down in the back. You told me that you and your husband are big golfers. Okay, when he does get a chance to get off of work and when you can find a babysitter, you guys like to get your clubs thrown right in the back. So I'm going to show you how very easy everything is back here. In the back here, now this is for multiple things too, not just when you're trying to fold down to get the golf clubs in here. Say you're carrying your baby, which once again, congratulations too, that you've got another one coming. Say you're back here, you need to fold the seat down to get more stuff in. One simple handle pull, folds right down. One simple handle pull, folds right down. One arm, very easy. Same thing, you want to pull it back up? Just give it a tug, one hand. Super, super simple. Okay. Now, if you'd like to step over to the rear driver's side door there, I'll show you how easy this folds down. Just a simple pull of this lever and another simple pull of this lever, everything folds down perfectly flat. Once again, very easy. Once again, you can do it one-handed to get everything you need done there. Okay, very cool. So I think we've highlighted a lot of things that make this a key vehicle for you. It seems to fit exactly what you're looking for. Would you like to go for a test drive? Let's go.